Hey, what's happening, guys? Good morning, or good evening, or good afternoon, depending on when you're watching this video. All right, so it's been an amazing week for crypto, and the weekend was really bloody. Right, if we go over to this is Trading View. Let's check out Bitcoin, BTC, and you know this was a sudden dump. And guess who was going to get affected by this? Lots of futures or margin traders. Those who have close liquidation points are going to lose huge money, right? They're going to lose huge money. Yes, so I actually did a course on this, how not to get liquidation or how not to get liquidated. I'm going to change the grammar right there. And in that course, I actually explained what to do, how to place your trades so you don't get liquidated at all. All right, I'll drop a link to this course so you guys can check it out. I've been trading for a while, and sometimes I got liquidated, and I asked myself, what have I been doing that has making me to get liquidated? And then I got the answer. And nowadays these are what my trades look like. See, liquidation point in this particular trade is 0. Liquidation point here is 0. Now, what does this mean? That means until this particular two coins or cryptocurrency falls down to 0, that is when I'll get liquidated. What I'm using isolated or cross. Actually, in this case, I'm using cross. Right? This one is 65. This is 7. Right? And of course, this is my signal group. Right? Let's see which trade is this. Now see this other coin, Ethereum Classic, right? This is my entry price, this is the mark price, and this is the liquidation point. To avoid being liquidated, right? There's a way I trade in such a way that I can travel and maybe go for a vacation and come back and still don't get liquidated, right? My trade will still be active. Highest that will happen to my trade is it will turn into negative and stay negative maybe for some hours or for some days, but at the end, as long as we're still in crypto, those trades will still be alive, right? And you need to avoid getting liquidated. So make sure you register and watch this course. I'm going to drop a link in the description. And the market is still in the negative. Bitcoin is still down 4%, and of course, you know how crypto works. If it goes up by 10%, it surely will come down by maybe 5% or even more. And if it goes down by 4%, it will definitely go up. But how soon that is going to happen is what no one has been able to accurately predict. No one can call the top of the market, and no one can accurately call the bottom of the market. But people can actually predict the top of the market. They can predict the bottom, but they can't tell you the actual day and time it's going to happen, right? So for that reason, you use stop loss, right? Use stop loss and in your trades, and or make sure that your liquidation point is extremely low, as seen in this trade here. So as you can see, this is my live blog group, and I dropped one of the profits I made from one of the posts. It's just a little money, $84 and 44%. As you can see, this is the margin I used in the trade, $178, which is that means I got almost half. Actually, this is more than half. 84, so 178 divided by 84 is, I think it's more than half. And the liquidation price, this is what I really wanted to point out, is extremely low. What else? This is the mark price, this is the entry price, and the price of the size of the Alright guys, so that's it all for today. I'll drop a link in the description so you guys can register in the course. Now, futures trading or margin trading or whatever, you choose to call it, is one good way to make money with crypto, or one of the fastest ways to make money with crypto, but it's also really volatile, and you can actually lose your money in split seconds. So don't go into trading without getting proper guide. Yes, because some people might like, I don't have the $100 to pay, or $50 to pay to register for the course. Hey, but you might end up losing way more if you don't go through the course and get all the secret and tips. Have I lost money before? Yes, I have when I started, but I've gathered all the secrets that made me lose money and added those secrets into this course. Yes, I know this I released it for the first time about some 2-3 weeks ago, and some videos I'll remake them. I'll remake some videos, but the secret and the tips, they still remain the same, most especially this last video, how not to get liquidated. All right, so see you guys some other time, and we hope the market recovers. I don't know how soon it's going to recover because of some holidays coming up. I think from the Chinese guys. I don't know if they've done it already, but be careful, guys, when trading. And if you've not gone through some classes on futures, just stick to your exchange trading only. All right, so thank you very much.